Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a vlog. It's Vlogmas time again. Yes guys, so stay tuned and please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit the thumbs up. Yes guys, as you can see, I am in Bashco. Yes, Bashco down on Montego Bay. Yeah, and I came in here to just check out the stuff them that they had in here and stuff, but everything almost clear out on the shelf because this video was done the day after Black Friday. Yeah, the Saturday. Yeah, they do sell food stuff in here. Bashco sell everything from food stuff, clothes stuff, everything them sell. I don't know why them pack the food stuff around here though with the Christmas ornaments, but anyways, everything clear off of the shelf. This was early in the morning. I guess they haven't stocked back the shelves as yet or something, I don't know. Yeah. Yes, they do have a lot of balls in here. A lot of Christmas balls. I guess much people never bought a lot of balls, and they're having 15% off of I think all the items. Yes, I never planned to buy anything, but when I go in there I saw this nice bow. Well, it's not a bow, but I'm going to turn it into a bow, and I think I'm going to use it to wrap the tree. Yeah, it's a ribbon, so I just got that one. So I saw this flower spot. It's kind of cool. Feels kind of velvetish. Is that a word? Yeah, I kind of like it. That white tree is actually pretty cool. The light is inside of the tree itself. Yeah, when I came in it wasn't blinking, but I guess they turned it on. So we're going upstairs to check out what's upstairs. My daughter is scared of the steps. And that's the line, guys. The line is so long. I felt like to just put down that little thing that I was buying. Look at the line. Look at the line. So many people. And it's the day after Black Friday. Can you believe it? And it was only 2 cashiers. But I wanted it, so I stayed. So guys, that's the end of my vlog. I hope y'all enjoy. It's Vlogmas time again, so I'll be posting more often. I'll catch you again in the next video, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye guys.